In this step-by-step video tutorial we are going to replace the signal cable. What do you need? A screwdriver and an opening tool. Place the opening tool in the notch on the side of the phone and open the battery cap. Lift the battery using the opening tool. Take out the 8 screws. Also these 2. Pick up your opening tool and separate the screen display. Disconnect the cable as shown. Remove the cable as shown. Install the new cable the same way as you took the old one out. Reinstall the screen display. Place back the screen as shown. Place back the screws. Place back the battery. Place back the battery cap. Make sure it fits properly.
Nova Custom. Own your tag.